Hello everyone, today I have another knife from GearBest. This one's Fura Gear. It's supposed to be DC4 titanium and S35vn blade. And I think it is, because I've seen some videos that prove that this is actually Fura Gear makes like their knives with real steel. The steel they say they're gonna make it. It's compact. It's a nice box. Packed, and the knife was oily. Trust me, it's not gonna rust. The deal was so good that I even bought two of them, but both same color. I don't know. The difference between these and like other Fura knives is that I guess it's a different style, but I like that these ones because they lock, not like the Sharpe-edged, which doesn't have a lock. S35vn as well. It's supposed to be like a Boker Plus, I think, German company, Pelican, but it's like a bit smaller. Like the only problem, oh no, these knives are extremely sharp. Yeah, maybe the tip is not as sharp, but look how wide it is. I don't know. It's like for stabbing probably. Yeah, that part doesn't even cut almost. Let's see about how this knife fares. Yeah, it's sharp. Sharp. About this. Now it's just too. Look at it. It's just too wide. This little knife is a beast. Very good deal. I would suggest buying it if you see it because the blade steel and the handlebar, just the handle material, it's awesome for the price. Made in China, GearBest, link down below. See ya.